Hi, good day, everyone. This is another subsequent video to the previous video on how to sign up for affiliate, how to log in, and how to activate. So, there's a video that was already uh, addressed how to sign up for affiliate, and you should watch that before watching this video. How to sign up, how to log in, and how to activate. So, once you log in, so first of all, let's just recap. Uh, if you go to AkolagTech.com, with our main website, you can log in directly on the website by clicking login, or you can, yes, you can click login directly, so that will take you to the login page. So once you get to the login page, let's go back. AkolagTech.com. This is our main website. Click on login. When you click on login, it will take you to the login page here. So that allows you to log in. If you wanted to register, you click on register. This is how you register as a client or as a user. And then once you register, you need to activate your affiliate account. So the way to activate is you log in. And once you log in, you go to affiliate and then you click activate. So once you activate, then your account become uh, then your account then you are automatically an affiliate account. It doesn't automatically, once you register, you become an affiliate. You have to activate, because not every user on our system or client are affiliate. So for you to become an affiliate, you have to activate. So you click activate. So once you click activate, if you the first time you are activating your account, it will prompt you, do you want it to activate, and then you click you click activate button. So the next in this video, we're going to address how to access your affiliate portal, and how to use affiliate dashboard, and how do you get your unique URL, and how do you track your sales. So the first of all is, once you log in to your affiliate, and how do you track your sales. So this is the menu that you're going to be presented with. Just give you the statistic in real time, and what activity is going on with your affiliate. So for some of you who are into online marketing and you have your own website, or you just want to be able to direct people to your affiliate account, this is the URL. How do you find your URL? This is what, so log in. Once you log in, so let's backtrack. You log in. Uh, so log in. You click on login. This is how you log in. Like I said, you can log in directly from our website. Anywhere you are on our website, you see this login page. So once you log in, you will be, if you haven't signed up for affiliate, you have to click affiliate menu. You will see this menu once you log in, and then you click activate, and this will activate your affiliate. You have to click on a button that says activate. So this is what you're gonna see, and your unique referral. So what is your unique referral link? Your unique referral link allows you to promote your affiliate to anyone, and this is the link that you're going to be using to promote your affiliate. It's like your website, pretty much. So you give everybody this link. So let's say you have a customer, or you have a referrer. So you give them the link, this link, and then they will go into our website. So once they go in, this is the link that they will use to access uh, our website, and they can buy anything. So once you give them that link, any activity that they are doing on the website will automatically be tracked on the website. So this will be used to track any sales, any commissions. So in your case, the only thing is, make sure you promote this unique URL. We can help you customize it if you want, or you can use one of those short URL link. So any activity that is going on in terms of your referral, like somebody that signed up, you will be able to get those information here. And we also have link to us. So this is a link. If you wanted to link to us, you can post this in your website directly, and you can post it and people can click on it. So once they click on it, there is cookies that track the user's activities, and when they buy from us, it will automatically record your affiliate account. It keeps the referral cookies for about 90 days before it disappears. So even if the customer doesn't buy right away, it takes about 90 days. Even if they come back, you still get credit for that. So that is how the affiliate sign up works, and you can track your statistic. You can see who signed up. You can see uh, how many commission is pending. You can see commission balance. This shows you how much you have. This shows you how much you can withdraw. To withdraw, you have to have a minimum requirement of 3,501 in order for you to withdraw your money from your affiliate account. So this is how the affiliate program works. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. You can call us or email us directly. Thanks, everyone, and have a wonderful day.